Tired, buddy. It's okay, I got you. I got you. Oh, man,
Oh,
okay.
there he goes again.
You gotta come to me. Little dude. Little dude.
Oh.
It's okay, I'm trying to save you. As long as he stays close enough, I can probably grab him. Oh, okay, I got you. Oh, I got you. Oh, it's okay. Oh, I got him. Okay, I got him. I just gotta get down now.
Here.
Sure. Okay, I got it.
Okay.
We saved him. Oh, he's so tired. Oh my gosh. He's so tired.
My baby.
Oh, he's so tired. Wouldn't that look so good on my arm? See?
Yeah, there you go, dude. That's that's it.
Oh, love. It's okay.
It's probably a little bit in shock right now.
It is. It is. It's still breathing, still moving though. It's okay, love. It's okay. It's all right, my love.
Oh man,
Probably
it flew
scared
into
the
some
ever-living-
spider webs all up in there too.
Well, the thing is that see that it's all covered with spider webs.
Yeah.
It flew into it.
Oh no.
Yeah. Are you okay, love? It's all right. Did it damage your wing at all?
Might be able to put it on an edge and see what happens.
We kissed his little beak.
Juicy bird.
Okay, come here. Okay. All right, we're moving our wings around. That's good. Oh. He says, "Whoa, whoa."
Almost ready for takeoff.
Ah, there he goes. All
Oh,
right.
dude, he pooped too right before taking off.
He pooped on me?
No, he pooped out that way.
Oh, that's good. I was like, what?
It was a love poop.